Ever wondered how to install a processor and system fan on a motherboard? Unwinding this mystery isn't as daunting as it seems. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover a step-by-step guide that makes this process a breeze. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of computer hardware. First off, gather the tools needed. A Phillips screwdriver, isopropyl alcohol, a clean cloth, thermal paste, and of course the processor, system fan, and motherboard are the essentials. Step 1. Start with a clean, static-free workspace. Wipe the motherboard with a clean cloth to ensure no dust particles interfere with the installation process. Step 2. Locate the CPU socket. It's a square holder with lots of tiny holes. Lift the lever beside it to prepare the socket for the processor. Step 3. Time for the processor. Hold it by the edges, making sure not to touch the bottom. Locate the triangle on one corner of the processor. This triangle should match with a similar mark on the socket. Gently place the processor into the socket. No force needed here, it should fall into place effortlessly. Once in position, lower the lever to secure the processor. Step 4. Apply the thermal paste. This paste aids in heat transfer from the processor to the fan. Squeeze a pea-sized amount onto the center of the processor. Don't worry about spreading it, the pressure from the fan will do the job. Step 5. Now, onto the system fan. It usually comes with the processor. Align the fan over the processor, ensuring the holes on the fan match with those on the motherboard. Using the Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws diagonally to evenly distribute pressure. Step 6. Plug the fan into the motherboard. Look for a small 4-pin connector labeled CPU fan. It's usually located near the CPU socket, and there you have it, a processor and system fan successfully installed on a motherboard. To recap, the process involves preparing your workspace and gathering the necessary tools. Then locate the CPU socket on the motherboard and place the processor, taking care to match the triangle markers. Apply a pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the processor before securing the system fan over it. Finally, plug the fan into the motherboard. Remember, patience and precision are key. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a hardware whiz. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep building.